Hello and welcome to my new video. I hope you're all doing good. This video is going to be about Christmas, and I came up with that idea about 2 weeks ago when I was putting my leftover resin into those little pearl molds. And if you're interested what I did with them, I'm going to show you. Just stay tuned. So my sketch here is not very pretty, but it's going to show you how I filled up my mold. So I raised my mold on one side and I filled it about halfway up with colored resin, and that makes a little square line onto the pearls. I must have not pressed record as I filmed the first part that I was explaining you with that sketch I made. So you can see here I have on the right side already colored resin in there, and it's all cured up. Now I have two sizes of those pearls, bigger ones and smaller ones, and I'm just topping the blue ones with the white colored mica resin, and I will fill up the other one, the big one, all the way with the whites. Here you can see where I got my inspiration for today's video from. I have this little mold here. This is a pearl mold as well, only a square one, and I just poured in my leftover resin. I just poured it full, even if it had another color, and when it's cured, you have all striped pearls. So once the resin was cured and the pearls were hard, I took a piece of a little bit of thicker wire, and I took my round nose pliers and made a loop, as you can see here. And this loop has to be a little bit bigger than the hole that is in the pearls, because otherwise they will slip down from the wire. There is ready-made pieces like this that you can buy in the stores, but I find them rather expensive, and that's why I do it always by myself. And this is what it looks like now. I wrapped it 2 times around just to make it a little bit more stable. So now I'm taking my big pearls and putting them on the bottom, and the ones with the blue on top, I will put it onto that wire too, still having the blue on top. And then I take my pliers again and make another loop, just to secure the pearls onto the wire. What I'm doing now is I'm drawing with my Sharpie a nose onto that smaller ball, and maybe you get where I'm going already. Yes, it's going to be a snowman. And I'm drawing eyes and the bottoms onto his belly, and then I'm really ready to go. And I'm so excited about those little things. They are really, really cute, and they are so versatile to use. What I did at the end that I didn't show here is I tightened up the wire a little bit so they won't be so wobbly onto that wire piece, and stay where I want them to be, sort of facing the buttons as well. And because it's Christmas, I didn't stop with the snowmans. I had to make some Santas also. So I did the same thing in red. For the head, I have a red hat with a white face. And here I'm drawing the belt line onto that belly piece. And I make a gold colored buckle onto it. And then you assemble it the same way that you did with the snowman. If you like this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up, um, a subscription onto my channel if you haven't already. Leave me a comment. I always like hearing from you what you think about my projects. You would help me a great deal with that. Thank you.
Merry Christmas!